Okay, so this is the end of the AWS AWSome Day in Belgrade 2019. Here with us we have Yiannis Nasios from AWS, who is organizing everything, and I see that you're tired and exhausted.
It's been a long day, yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here, and very nice presentations. We made interviews with almost all of them. So I know the topics. Can you share about with us what was this event about? What did you want to achieve with this event? And tell us about yourself, what you do in Amazon.
Yeah, so I'm a territory manager here in Southeastern Europe with AWS. I work with customers to help them succeed in the cloud. And we do that very frequently on a one-to-one basis, but in different occasions we do it also at scale. And today is an example of an effort where we try to educate our customers at scale. So basically this AWSome Day was an event where we tried to give knowledge to our customers about different topics around AWS. And we tried to make it interesting for any kind of customers, whether they're coming from a different background, such as running systems on premises, or they are mature in the cloud, running already the AWS services for several years. We try to have content and presentations that are interesting for them. And we also do the same in terms of the background, whether or not our customers are coming from a managerial background, whether they are developers, whether they are system engineers, whether they are project managers. We try to have presentations available for everybody. So today we had content from our senior leaders in Europe, Middle East, Africa, covering digital transformation. We had content from Fastlane discussing innovation and digital transformation with agility. We had content from different customers here in Southeastern Europe. We had a presentation from GoDaddy and a presentation from Syria with regards to how these companies use AWS. We also had presentations, technical presentations from Fastlane and AWS solution architects sharing with us best practices about building workloads, using purpose-built databases and other serverless technologies. And we also run a panel conversation with all these participants and you guys from AWS User Group. We really appreciate.
It was fun, huh?
It was really appreciating that we have you here today. And yeah, we really hope we wanted to achieve an interesting learning day for our customers.
Okay, so Fastlane was the main sponsor of the event, and it's obvious that it's the focus on education and knowledge and the transfer of knowledge from AWS or from the community to AWS. Because I think there's a lot of to exchange here.
Yes.
Because we think this market is specific, but it's probably not that totally specific. But the market is delivering some messages about what does it need now, and where does the market want to go. And did you learn something about the market?
I kind of confirmed my previous assumption that we are in the very early stages of the cloud. Not only this market, but also globally. And there are always challenges for our customers, and we discussed some of the challenges today about moving ahead in the cloud. Some of these challenges are managerial, some of these challenges are technical. And our experts today, the presenters, offer advice and best practices on how to proceed ahead. There were some interesting themes around several presentations, such as moving it as a high-frequency enterprise, starting early but starting, and then moving quickly, iterating and having an agile mentality when doing so, and then using all the different tools that we have available from AWS to succeed.
So we talked a lot yesterday, and I think we should do something with these small and medium businesses and try to influence them to prepare themselves for the risks that are in front of them by not deploying the cloud and by not learning about the cloud. If they don't use this opportunity now, it may be late for some of the businesses. So that's one of the markets we usually forget. We think in many presentations AWS is talking about scaling, big companies, things, but there's a lot of small guys here, so we need to...
Now the great thing about AWS is that we have our customers come from all different segments. So they come from startup segment, we have a lot of small and medium enterprises, we have a lot of corporate enterprises that run on the platform, and the challenges are similar. but we make it our business to educate all these different customer groups and provide knowledge as we did today. And that's how we spent our entire day here in Belgrade.
So I hope this is just one of the events that will prove that AWS has a really nice ground here to land. So there's a lot of people who want to listen to these topics, and there's obviously a lot of developers and companies here that already use AWS. Just we will put this communication on a bigger level and try to achieve even more. I mean, by doing a lot more, maybe not these big events, but maybe a lot of smaller events with the community, that will definitely help.
We continue to listen to our customers in the region, and our customers are asking for more and more education and help from us. So we will continue to do what we need to do to bring this information to the market also here in Serbia.
Thank you, Yiannis.
Thank you.
See you again in Belgrade.
Yeah.